Hey everybody, Kris Amerikos here, and today's video is going to be all about rain. Right now I'm here on a farm in Virginia. There's a dog following me. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there it is. I'm out here on a farm, and it's been raining all day. So I thought, why not make a video for everybody where I talk about rain? Now, how do you think I can talk about rain for a whole video? I don't know if I can do it, but here's what we're going to do. The word rain is a very interesting example in English because it can be a noun or it can be a verb. It can be both. So as a noun, we can say rain, like I like rain. There is rain outside. Is there rain? There is rain. Yeah. So that's a noun, right? But then it's also a verb. So as a verb, we say to rain. And when it's happening now, we can say it is raining. It is raining.
It's raining, Master Dwarf.
That means right now. It is raining. But if we want to talk about what happens every day, then we should say it rains. So every day it rains, but right now it's raining. Now this is different from a lot of other words because this is about the weather, and we can say that it's happening right now, right? It's a verb. For example, when we talk about the sun, we don't have a verb. There's no verb to sun. There's no verb to moon. Well, that means something different. But when we talk about rain, there's a verb to rain. And maybe you see behind me there's some snow on the ground. Also the verb to snow. So to rain and to snow are special words in English about the weather. They're verbs, to rain, to snow, and nouns, rain, snow. So I might ask, do you like rain or do you like snow? I don't like snow and I don't like rain. But we can say to rain or to snow. So is it going to rain? Is it going to snow tomorrow? Is it going to rain tomorrow? These are questions that we can ask. And so when we talk about these words, there's also adjectives. So when we talk about sun, sun is a noun, and the adjective from sun is sunny, right? You can say that it's sunny today. And when we talk about rain, we can say it's rainy today. But we can also use a verb and say what is happening right now. We can say it's raining right now, or it's raining today. Today it's raining. And this tells us about what is happening. It doesn't tell us an adjective about the day. It just tells us the action that's happening right now because that's a verb. So that's why this word is different. So the word sun has the adjective sunny. The word rain has the word rainy, the adjective rainy. The word snow has the word snowy, which is an adjective. So we need to be careful not to confuse rainy and snowy with the verb to rain and to snow, when we might say it's raining or it's snowing. These are different things. Rainy and it's raining, right? When we say it's rainy, it's an adjective. When we say it's raining, that's a verb. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that helps you guys understand the words rain and snow a little bit better. Of course, we have a lot of other funny phrases that we can use with the word rain, like it's raining cats and dogs, which means it's raining a lot. It's raining very heavily.
Oof. Wow, it is raining cats and dogs out there.
We might also say to make it rain. And this means to make a lot of money or to spend a lot of money.
Just so I can make it rain.
Make it rain, yeah. And a person who spends a lot of money or makes a lot of money, we might call them a rainmaker. They make it rain.
He was a rainmaker.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, by the way, press like, press subscribe, and hit the bell by the subscribe button so that you get notifications when a new video comes out. And also, if you want to find out more information about what I do, and if you want to get practice speaking English with me and with other teachers, then you can go over to my website, krisamerikos.com, where you can find my free seminar about how to speak English every day. And then you can join my Everyday English program. So I hope to see you guys at a lesson very soon. I'd be happy to help you learn English and practice speaking English every day. And for now, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll see you at a lesson very soon. Bye-bye.